And in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can use TikTok to promote your affiliate product without getting banned by TikTok. TikTok is a very popular video content platform that so many people are using, but so many are still using it without benefiting or without using this platform to make money. But in this video, I'll show you a simple method, very simple and straightforward method that you can use TikTok to promote your affiliate product, your course, your coaching, your webinar without getting banned by TikTok. And if this is your first time visiting Online Hustle YouTube channel, you're welcome. And if you have not subscribed to this Online Hustle YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to Online Hustle YouTube channel so that when we make content like this, YouTube will get to notify you of our new upload. And if you have not liked this video so far, please kindly click on the like button so that YouTube will get to recommend this video. So you can see right here that I've logged in into my TikTok account, and I'm sure everybody that has mobile phone or a Android phone have a TikTok app on their phone. So if you do not have a TikTok on your phone, just kindly go to Play Store, install TikTok on your phone, register with your Gmail or with your phone number, and you are good to go. That is just a simple strategy. There is no big stuff on how to create a TikTok account. So you can see on the screen that right here, I've logged into my TikTok account. There's one of my accounts that I use purposely for AI tools that I'm using because I have a course that I'm promoting, my own personal course that teaches how to create AI video calls and all of that. So I purposely created this account for using it to promote my AI video course creation. So you can see that I'm going to log in to open my page so that you can see. So you can see on the screen right here that this is my account. You can follow me also on TikTok so that we can connect together on TikTok. So you can see that this account, I'm just growing this account. And you can see so far that we just have about 259 followers already. And the question is, how can you use TikTok to promote your affiliate product? It's very simple. You see all these videos you are seeing right here. All these videos, I created them with AI too. And I have AI training course that is currently going on called the ChatGPT for side income. That training will basically teach you how to create AI videos, how to do good stuff with AI. You see, all these videos are created with AI tools that I am using. And the cool thing is that the AI tool that I'm using, I did not pay for that AI tool. It's basically free. If you're interested to get the training, you can also click chat me up to get access to the training. So you can see that basically these are a lot of AI videos that I've created with AI tool that I am using to promote this very course. Now, how can you now use TikTok to get free traffic or to promote your product? Is very simple. The best way to do it now, you need to do a head talk. What I mean by head talk is a video talk. You record video of yourself. Now it's very simple. Every one of us can do it. When you check on TikTok, you can see some girls dancing, you can see some boys dancing, just doing whatever they love doing, and they are getting massive and massive views and like and comment. And you can do the same thing as well. I'm not saying you should come to TikTok to come and dance. You can do a head talk. Now let's assume you are promoting a course which is going to help people to lose or which is going to help people to travel outside the country. Now you are promoting such course that teaches people how they can travel or how they can relocate to another country. Now the strategy you should use to promote that very course or that very training, either the course can be yours, it can be you are an affiliate promoting that particular product. So what you need to do, you need to employ head talk strategy. That means you need to be recording video of yourself. Are you getting me? And this basically will work well if you are the type that have been traveling. You have been traveling around the world, you travel to other countries. it will work well because experience matters a lot. People will get to listen to you very well when you have an experience of what you are talking about. So if you are the type that maybe you have been traveling to other countries of the world, you can do a video health talk on TikTok to promote your course or look for course. We have so many platforms that you can get a course. We have Stake Course, we have Expert, we have Seller, and so many of them. You can pick a course that are relevant or that is related to your niche or to your interest. Then you do a health talk. Health talk, you record a video of yourself talking about what they need to get before they can get a visa, the right immigration officer, the right office to get to, how to talk, how to present issue, whatever they have. You that is you in kind of you educating them with a health talk. You talk, it can just be 3 minutes, it can just be 4 minutes. You educating people on how they can relocate from one country to another, how they can get a visa even without paying, how they can relocate to Africa country without spending a dime. You do a health talk. Health talk that you do, at the end of the health talk you put a link. If you want to get to a social country without paying a dime, kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. And when they chat you up on WhatsApp, you are going to recommend your training to them, or you recommend that particular course you are selling to them. This is the strategy that you can use. And now I've made an example illustration of how on a travel niche. Let's assume you are promoting a course that help people on how to make money. This is a broad and evergreen niche. So this niche is not never going to die. Now let's assume you are promoting a course that is going to teach people on how to make money online with blogging. Now the best thing you need to do, you need to come up with a head talk, the same method. You record video of yourself, how you rank content, how to write blog posts, how to monetize a blog post, even with targeted traffic, how to generate organic traffic, how to build a backlink, how to generate a profile backlink, how to do so many stuff with blogging. So your content you'll be relating around blogging, how to do SEO on your ad and your blog. So your content should be around blogging, around SEO. So at the end of this talk, you recommend your course or you recommend a training. Okay, if you want to learn more of how to do blogging the right way, kindly click the link at my bio to chat me up on WhatsApp, or kindly click the link at my bio to kindly pick this training. That is how you do it. And when you are doing a video health talk, it's not going to be just one video. If you can see, this is a course that I'm promoting that teaches people how to create AI videos with a free AI tool. The AI tool I am using to create this kind of video, you are not paying for it. So if you can see, I am teaching people and I am creating those AI videos. I am creating those AI video telling them that I am doing this stuff. Now, at the end of the day, I recommend my course to them. And if you see some of them, you see my WhatsApp number on it. If you look at some of them, let me show you. You see my WhatsApp number on it, that anybody that pick it, you can now chat me up. You can see all these ones. I added my WhatsApp number to it, telling you that I am promoting the course. If what I am teaching, the video, you enjoy it and you want to learn how to do it, you can easily chat me up on WhatsApp. So these are the strategy you can use to promote affiliate product on TikTok without getting bound on TikTok. Then another strategy that you need to use, when you look at my profile here, though I have a few followers, but I use a simple strategy. Look at here. Look at this. If you look at this very well, I said I teach for free how to get daily alert. And look at my WhatsApp number on the screen. You see my WhatsApp number on the screen. And you can see down below, you see an affiliate link. This affiliate link is a link to a particular product that I'm promoting on Stake Call. You see the strategy that you can use on TikTok to promote any kind of product on TikTok without getting banned. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked this video so that YouTube will get to recommend this video to more people who are looking for content like this. Please like this video before I continue. If you don't like this video, I'm not going to continue. Like this video now like this video so that we can continue. So you can see the strategy that you can use to promote your product. So in this bio, don't just write anything. Make sure you are writing something and add your affiliate link. And if you want to purposely use TikTok to drive traffic to your blog or to your website, to your landing page, to your sales page, also use the same method. Then another method that you can use to promote affiliate link or your product on TikTok is to collaborate with other TikToker. We have other TikToker that are doing well. They have about 10,000 followers, 20,000, 50,000 followers. You can collaborate with them. How do you do that? You reach out to them. Some of them will charge you money to just talk about your product. You get to pay them. You want to achieve something. So you can reach out to those people who have huge followers on TikTok, who has massive engagement on TikTok. You follow them, you chat them up. You told them to make a sponsor content for you. They promote your product. They had a WhatsApp. They had your course or your product link on their bio. Some of them may say that it's going to be 24 hours for that particular link on their bio before they will remove it. So if it suits you, you can just go ahead, and you know that if since they have massive engagement and they do that kind of promotion for you, they know how you are going to definitely make it. So you can collaborate with other TikTokers to promote your product, talk about your product on their video. That is another way you can promote affiliate product on TikTok without getting banned, free of charge. And if you agree, that you're going to know that TikTok is a very massive platform that has a lot of visitors on their platform. So you can collaborate with other TikTokers to help you promote your product. And also another strategy that you can use, you should be engaging in other people's videos. Engage with other people's content of TikTok. That one is going to make people sometimes this. And when you are engaging, not just drop I like this video and I what is funny here, all of make sure you drop something that is very valuable on the comment section. Drop something valuable. When people come to read the comment section of that person's video, they are going to see your content, and people that gain value from your content may definitely follow you up. When they follow you, they become your audience, and they're going to see your bio. They can go ahead to chat you up. They can go ahead to get your product because they know that you are adding value. So these are the strategy that you can basically use to get or to promote your product on TikTok. I am sure you have learned something from this video, and if you are still struggling with promoting a product on TikTok, kindly let me know at the comment section of this video. So guys, this is just the simple strategies that you can use to promote any affiliate product on TikTok without getting banned. If you have not subscribed to Online Hustle YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that when we make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of our new upload. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video. And if there's any area you are struggling with making money with affiliate marketing, also leave a comment at the comment section of this video. Someone may help you, and I may be the one that will help you to figure it out. So guys, I will see you again in our next video.